Hello again. In Lesson 13's Sound Sorting, we are going to be thinking about where we can hear the sound G. Can we hear it right at the beginning, somewhere in the middle, or right at the end of the word? First of all, draw your grid. Just a rectangle with 2 lines so that we've got 3 spaces to write our numbers in. You'll see the numbers on the pictures and you write that number in this box if you hear G right at the beginning of the word. You'll write the number in this box if you hear G somewhere in the middle of the word. It can be anywhere in the middle. And you'll write your number in this box if you hear G right at the very end of the word. Let's have a look at the pictures. Number 1. Dig. Dig. Where can you hear G? That's it. Write the number in the space on the grid. You can always ask somebody else to say the word to you if you like. Number 2. Gate. Gate. Number 3. Triangle. Triangle. Number 4, plug. Plug. Number 5, gull. Gull. Number 6, log. Log. Number 7, fairground. Fairground. Number 8, gong. Gong. Number 9, dragon. Dragon. Pause the video if you'd like to and have a think about where you can hear G. Check your numbers through. And remember, we are listening for the sound. We aren't thinking about the spelling. Okay. Let's have a look at the pictures again. Number 1 was dig. Did you hear that G right at the very end? Number 2, gate. Did you hear G right at the beginning? Well done. Number 3, triangle. This was a tricky one because it's really quite quiet in the middle of that word. Number 4, plug. Yep, right at the end. Number 5, gull. Gull. 6, log. Log. 7, fairground. Fairground. 8, gong. Gong. Now in this one, it very definitely depends on how you say the word. Because you might think if you said the word as gong, and in some parts of the country people would, that you hear it right at the end of the word as well. The way I said it, we could only hear it at the beginning, but you might have asked somebody else to say it for you. So there could be 2 answers for gong. Have a think. Should it be here right at the end? Or were you thinking about the way we spell it? We'll leave it there anyway, just in case. And the very last one, number 9, dragon. So, did you have 2, 5 and 8 written in your grid? Did you have 3, 7 and 9 for when you heard g in the middle of the word? And did you have 1, 4, 6 and 8 for if you heard it right at the end? But remember, if you didn't hear it, it's absolutely fine not to have that number there. Absolutely fine. It is not wrong if you only had 1, 4 and 6. You were listening very well. If the person that said the word to you said gong, if the person that said the word to you said gong, you were listening very well too. Thank you for joining me. Good job.